Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. And this right here is the Squier Stratocaster electric guitar pack. Have a listen to this. The sound is really good quality and the speaker is pretty decent. It outputs really good sound and you can change the gain on it and adjust the treble and bass like any other speaker. My son really wanted to start playing electric guitar, so we spoke to a friend who's an expert, and this is the guitar and kit that he suggested, and we're really happy with it. One great thing about electric guitars is that they're a little bit smaller than your typical acoustic. So if you have really small hands and are new to learning guitar and finding it hard to reach some of those chords with your fingers, then I would definitely suggest switching over to an electric guitar for practice. This electric guitar pack comes with literally everything you need, so it is perfect for a beginner. If you want to start learning on an electric guitar or your kid does, I definitely recommend this pack, and that's my point of view.